Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox this Powerhouse fluxcored MIG welder. I got this from Shopee for 6,500 pesos, 6,990 including shipping. Sides off. Okay, so give you a much more closer look. Okay, what's that? Okay, so this is everything that's inside the box. A welding mask, this is under. I'm not going to use that. We have a wire brush as well as a sort of chipping hammer, and then you've got the ground lead as well as the MIG gun already attached to the machine. We've got a user manual, and we've got a spool of flux cord MIG wire here. So this is primarily only for flux cord. Okay. This needs to be inside here. Okay, so it's done. I do believe it's due to the handling. Okay, so that's the first issue. Okay, so everything seems to be ordered, so let's take a couple of measurements, weight and cord length. Okay, overall weight of the machine is 14 kilos. So that's heavy. So let's measure the cord. Okay, so overall length of the machine is about 6.5 feet. That's nice, it came with this plug, so it's ready to use. 220 volts input. The ground clamp as well as the MIG gun is only about, ground clamp is 5 feet, the MIG gun is about only 6 feet, so that's short. Okay, so inside the manual we've got 2 extra consumables as well as 2 extra fuse. So let's read the manual. Okay, so on the manual we've got the machine specifications: power voltage 220 volts, hertz 60 hertz, kVA 3.2, power factor 0.9, wire diameter 0.6 to 0.9, max load voltage output is 28, current ampere range is 48 to 100 amperes, duty cycle 60%, insulation class H, protection class IP21S. And here we've got the manual on how to spool the machine. Okay, so let's unwrap this. Okay, so basically loading this spool of wire right here through this wire feeder is pretty straightforward. Just don't do what I did. Make sure if you're going to unwrap this spool right here and unhook the end of the tip here, that you got a firm hold on the spool, otherwise it's going to unravel. Then cut the tip off, insert it on this end right here, make sure, and then insert it on this other end right here that's going to go out the MIG torch. once, and then make sure that the top of the wire is over this serrated part of the roller right here. And then once you're done with that, just put this down, clip this up, then apply tension as necessary. Okay, so we've got the spool running. So we can now adjust our wire speed based on this knob. Okay. Okay, so we cut it off. This is my first time to MIG weld. Okay, so let's check if how much ampere this machine draws with this amp meter right here, and see if this plug is going to register an increase in heat, and find out if this machine is perfectly safe to plug in any outlet that's got a 30 amp breaker. So right now we're getting a reading of 31 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm going to turn on the machine now. So the blower is working, so it's giving us a reading of 5-6 milliamps. It's now on 80 amperes. Okay, so basically these machines only got 4 ampere settings. You turn it on 48, it's not going to weld. The gun is not going to work. So welding starts here at 80 amperes. This the second 120, 160 and 200. So basically you've only got 4 ampere settings. That is 200, 160, 120 and 80. 48 is basically on the shut-off position. As well as the gun, it won't work. It starts on 80. Here you've got your wire speed. Okay. Okay, so let's cut it off. This nozzle right here is after welding at 200 amperes. Okay, so let's check temperature. So basically there's no increase, actually it even decrease. So it's perfectly safe to use on an ordinary outlet. Okay, so just out of curiosity, let's open this up and let's see what's inside. That's odd. It's got different screw. See? Okay, so this is it. So this is what's inside. I'm not an electrician or a technician or anything like that, but it seems to be, it looks to be just a simple transformer. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like, at least to me. So that's why it's so heavy. Here you've got a circuit board. Here's the fuse. Okay. So that's it. The blower there, the motor for the wire feeder. Honestly, if you ask me, if this all that inside, they could have made this machine much smaller, more compact. You see, this wasted space. Okay, so let's wrap this video up. Overall, I can say that I really love this machine. This is my first time to try fluxcored MIG welding, and it's really easy to use, very easy compared to stick welding. I've already used this in one project. Unfortunately, I was not able to make a video of that, but it worked great without any problems. So I suppose the only bad thing that I can say about this is that the ground lead as well as the torch cable is too short and that it's too thin. And using this after a duration of time, this would tend to heat up, so maybe in time I would change that for much longer and thicker wires. And also it would have been nice or better if these two cables would have been detachable, so maybe in time I'm going to replace that too. So anyway, that's it. This is the Powerhouse fluxcored MIG welder. Full disclosure, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I affiliated with Powerhouse or any sellers online that sells this item. I bought this with my own money, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.